This is that truck down there. It makes you wonder what's under that hood. We're Bay St. Louis, cruising the coast. And look at that. They're making a lot of racket. Whoa, listen here. Here comes one. You never know what's under that hood. But I guarantee you that baby will fly. He's got to be coming straight off the manifold. Got to be. He's coming straight off the manifold. That means you know nothing. Back in the day when I was a kid, in Louisiana, that was extremely illegal. We would go down the main street, some people would, and break windows in their cars in a little narrow street. Oh, it's super cool. There's a convertible. Absolutely. Let's see what he's going to do. He might burn it. He might burn it. He sometimes will. In Bay St. Louis, that's about the only thing they'll stop you for is burning them things out. So they'll start a burn and stop. Oh, look at that. Now that's pretty. Somebody put a lot of love in that. Somebody put a lot of love in that one.